Yes, hello. And now in this video, I'm going to be giving you some of the brief introduction to computers. So first and foremost, I want to guide you, for those who are starters, on how to start a computer, because probably for those people who may not have come across this device, may not be able to start this computer. So in order for you to start the computer, you have to first ensure that it is plugged in and powered on, and then you locate and place the power button on the computer's main unit, or for the case of a laptop like the one I'm using here, you always find the power button on the left hand corner, and then you place that press that button, and then the computer will start in what we refer to as a booting process. And then thereafter it will show you a screen. So the first screen that you see, like now on my computer here, this screen that you're seeing, it's always the first screen, and it is commonly known as the desktop. So, but before you can be able to access this screen, you may be required to enter in your password or something of that kind, and then you'll be able to see the desktop. So, having been able to start a computer, I want to show you some of the few other basic things on this desktop. Right down here we have what we refer to as the taskbar. So this taskbar here has different icons in it. There are those icons that, for instance, this one here will be able to show you the files that are open at the particular time. Remember, you might have opened a particular file but you didn't close it, so you just minimize the file. You'll be able to locate it via this position here. And then we also have other icons here. For instance, this one has to do with the speakers or the sound, and then we have this one, we'll show you some of the hidden icons. Then of course, probably if you want to connect to the internet, the icon is always around this position to your right hand side. For this case, when you're using Windows 10, rather Windows 11, that's why you're able to see that these icons here at the center. Then other times when you want to find something very fast within your computer, you can come and then you type here whatever you want, and then you can be able to access that. For instance, I can come here and then maybe type in a word like, maybe I want to access something, and then so you come and then type there maybe the file name you want, maybe the name of the app that you want. For instance, if you type there the word like maybe Pingis, something like that, and then of course you press enter, so it is going to bring you to this. It's going to bring you to this, and now these are the related items where you can find your word that you've typed here. And then of course there are different apps that I also like to show you on how we can start them. For example, the Microsoft Office. So the Microsoft Office is having different applications. Like we have the Microsoft Word, we have Microsoft Excel, we have Microsoft PowerPoint, and then Access. So those are some of the applications, software which constitute of the Microsoft Office. So if you want to start a Microsoft Office, for instance, you want to start a Word application, or maybe another application, you can first of all, the best way is to begin by starting a folder. That is now done by double clicking on your desktop in the blank position. You right click